In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove files from a project in Claude AI. From the Project section, click to open the project you want to clean up. Once the project loads, look to the right side of the screen for the panel labeled Knowledge or Files. Inside the Files or Project Knowledge list, find the files you want to remove. If you have a long list, use the search field or sort options to locate the exact files you want to delete. When you find a file you want to remove, hover your mouse over the file entry. You should see a trash or delete icon appear. You may also see a three-dot menu with a delete option inside. Click the trash icon, or open the three-dot menu and choose delete. Repeat the same process for each file you want to remove. Find the next file, hover over its entry, and click the trash icon or choose delete from the menu. Continue until you've removed all the files you no longer want in the project. When you're finished, review the Files or Project Knowledge list to make sure the files you wanted to remove are no longer listed. Removing a file from the project takes it out of the project's knowledge base. The file is no longer available as context for future chats within that project. Keep in mind that removing a file from the project does not delete the original file from your computer or other storage. The action only removes it from the project. To review the process, open the project you want to manage. Locate the Knowledge or Files panel on the right side of the screen. Find the file you want to remove, hover over the file entry, and click the Trash or Delete option. If the file appears in a three-dot menu instead, open that menu and select Delete. Repeat these steps for every file you want to remove from the project. Once you've completed the process, check the project files list again to confirm the selected files have been removed. And that's it. You can remove files from a project in Claude AI by locating the Knowledge or Files panel, selecting the file you want to remove, and clicking Delete. Repeat the process for any additional files you want to remove. Thank you for watching.